If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Ford aficionado. Back at it again. Just got off of work. And got a little, surprise for you guys. So when I went to lunch today, when I went on my lunch break, I called the Indian Trail Dodge dealership, Capital Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Indian Trail, North Carolina, and trying to figure out how much a shift linkage for my Jeep is going to cost, how much it's going to be to put it in, and how much it's going to cost from both of my transmission filters, because my Jeep has a spin-on canister filter like an oil filter and a sump filter that pops into the bottom of the transmission. So I finally get in touch with somebody today, and they tell me for the shift linkage it's discontinued, but if they had it in stock it would be right at $460 for just a shift linkage, and to put it in, labor to put it in, another $460. The screw-on canister transmission oil filter is going to be $55 they said. And they said the sump filter that pops into the bottom of the transmission is going to be another $75. So guess what, I won't be going on a road trip this year to DC in August like I had planned to, because all my next couple checks are going into this thing. So like I said, the shift linkage, the original equipment shift linkage is discontinued. Dealership can't even get it. And that's just what I'm telling you about. Dealerships can be scumbags. $460 for a little cable. It's not little. I mean, it's a shift linkage cable, but $460 for that is kind of outrageous. And so like I said, I won't be going on my trip to DC this year. Next month, a couple weeks, I will be at the dealership getting my transmission shift linkage replaced, because I'm tired of doing this right here. Lay down, crawl up under it, there's the linkage right there, grab the boot, pull it back in the park. I'm sick of having to lay down like this every time I get out and go somewhere. So I'm having it fixed. But I mean, like I said, I can get the aftermarket shift linkage for around $50 on Rock Auto, so I'm gonna do that. I don't like buying aftermarket parts like shift linkage, but it's only a shift linkage. But you've got to take the driver's seat out, the entire center console. Now technically you wouldn't have to take the whole console out. Take the driver's seat out, and see this little panel right here, there's a few screws holding it in. Pop that out and you should be able to get to it. And then disconnect it from the transmission down there. That's all there'd be to it. Put the seat back in. That's not that wouldn't be $400. I mean, I guess it kind of would be, but let me know what y'all think. I honestly think all dealerships are scumbags. And like I said, $460 for that cable, outrageous. $460 to install it, take the old one off, put the new one on, take the seat out. It's reasonable. If I had time, I honestly could do it myself, but I just don't want to. I'd rather pay somebody to do it, tell you the truth about it. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. People think, well, it's not worth putting all that money into. Well, here's the thing. Vehicles don't have value. I don't care what anybody says. No vehicle on this planet has value. One, I keep my cars forever. Vehicles forever. I don't get rid of them for no reason. Because what they claim to be new vehicles, there's no such thing as a new vehicle. Or an old vehicle. $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100,000 for a vehicle. It's ridiculous. I'm going to fix all the ones up that I've got and drive them the rest of my life. So, thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. The Ford aficionado's out.